Welcome to our Verizon customer support tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the various support services we offer. You can reach out to Verizon customer support through multiple channels, by phone, via chat, or online. Let's explore each option. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to navigate the Verizon support website for quick assistance. The My Verizon app offers a range of features and benefits for customer support at your fingertips. Let's take a look at some common issues and their quick fixes to help you resolve them swiftly. Follow these detailed troubleshooting guides to assist you with various services offered by Verizon. If your issue is not resolved, here's how to effectively escalate it to ensure it gets the attention it needs. Use these tips for faster resolution when communicating with customer support for more effective interactions. Remember to reach out during our optimal customer support hours for the best assistance. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial helps you utilize our support resources effectively. Reach out whenever you need help.